Sun.
The tiger reigns supreme in these forests, striding fearlessly
Sun
across the
is
length
so
and
big
breadth
that
of the cosmos.
over 1 million Earth could fit inside its 93 million miles away. And light from the sun takes about 8 minutes to reach us. The sun's core is 27 lakh
Even the remotest
Fahrenheit,
jungles are not spared.
12 times hotter than lava on Earth.
Chaos replaced tranquility, and most people
Mercury. This is the Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system and is too close to the sun for life to thrive. A day on Mercury is longer than its year. One day equals 176 Earth days, and 1 year equals 88 Earth days. And this is the Earth. Earth is the fifth largest planet in our solar system. It is rich in nitrogen and two-thirds of Earth's surface is covered in water, making it just perfect for life to thrive.
dawn can be deceptive in the jungle. The fog may
Mars.
but it
This
is
is the Mars. Mars is the second smallest planet and has two moons.
and its creatures.
It is home to Olympus moons, the tallest mountain in the solar system besides Earth. Mars is the most explored planet in our solar system.
Cows are shy of humans, and in most areas where they live, they are rarely seen.
Venus.
Forest edges degrade
Venus is considered our sister planet because it's about the same size and density as Earth. Venus is one of the two planets that rotate backwards on its axis and it has no moons.
with the fog drifting down. It looks a picture of serenity, but for the
Jupiter.
the night is
Jupiter is
sometimes
thought to be the first planet formed in our solar system. It is the largest of the gas giants, has a whopping 67 moons and is covered in large storms.
all within 6 dragging away. The heavy haze and on a full day the 500 kilo carpet is just a bit too heavy.
Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. It's a gas giant with 7 groups of rings and it has at least 53 moons in its orbit with a possible total of 62 moons. Pluto. Pluto was considered a true planet for 76 years before it was downgraded to draft planet status in 2007. Since it's no longer considered a planet, Pluto's official name is asteroid #1343040. Uranus. Uranus is a gas giant with 13 rings and 27 moons. It gets its blue color from the methane gas in its atmosphere. It takes 84 Earth years for Uranus to make one trip around the Sun. Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun, making it the most distant planet in the solar system. It is the smallest of the gas giants, has faint rings and has 14 moons.
His name was Honor. He was a tiny fellow, about 4.5 feet. It seemed strange to ask that from the very people who once helped to hunt them off the mountain. And they must have thought so too. But I felt I had nothing